A year ago, this was a field. Today, it is one of the most state-of-the-art aviation facilities in the Southeast. But the victory today isn't this beautiful facility. The victory is won every day by the dedicated, hardworking people that make up flyExclusive.
The level of expertise that we have on this team now is simply incredible. Every airplane in this hangar, every single one of them, has new paint, new interior that was completed by technicians right here in Kinston, North Carolina. So our intention is to be the most vertically integrated aviation business in the space. And our plan in doing that is to be based right here in Kinston, North Carolina. In 8 years, we still plan to be based right here in Kinston, North Carolina. We've grown our technology to power the enterprise, driving operational excellence with situational awareness that allow us to manage the business at a level higher than anyone in the space. This new facility is just the beginning. We're going to build another hangar just like this, only 50% bigger, straight behind you. We intend to build a new terminal and a new FBO here in Kinston as well, and hope to have that done in the next 2 years. But our greatest asset is not our hangars or our jets. Our greatest asset is our family.